everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course, and I bought a bunch of wigs off of Amazon because spooky season is coming. I cut my hair short and it's the perfect opportunity to dive into some wigs. All these wigs I did get off of Amazon and they were fairly inexpensive. But before we into the haul, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. And with that, let's get started. All of these wigs are just like costume wigs. They all have bangs. I have a red wig without bangs and I did not look or feel cute in that, so I'm sticking with bangs. It's pretty easy to disguise and all that. So I don't really have a lot of experience with wigs, so please try your best to be nice to me because I know I am probably going to embarrass myself. Won't be the first or last time I do that. The first wig I did get from Amazon, I couldn't wait and I unpackaged it. Let me put on the little wig cap it came with. Yeah, like I said, I wanted to try out wearing some wigs because since my hair is short now, it'd be easier. But it's so funny because in the span of, yeah, I think it's only been a month since I've had my hair cut and it is so long already. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to cut it again. Let's get cute. And I feel like these wigs will help give me an opportunity to be more creative with my makeup looks. So let's put on the first wig. I shouldn't have worn lip gloss. I didn't think this through. I can't see. Oh, okay, she's cute. There's like, I see a hair, but I don't see it. Oh my god, okay, this hair is driving me crazy. Okay, she actually looks really cute. What the fuck's that hair? Oh my god, sorry y'all. I'm waiting off of my anxiety and depression medication and I've noticed that I've gotten a lot more aggressive and like overstimulated. Like I get hot and frustrated and just want to scream and cry. So this is going to be a fun video to record considering hair is hair and oh yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like this video. I'm already feeling overwhelmed. Oh my god. Okay, but the bangs are way too long, so I have some old rusty freaking scissors and I'm gonna try to make them just a tad bit shorter. I fixed the bangs and I look super cute. Like, I don't think the camera does it justice, but I feel really cute. I love the little waves, the little curls. I feel pretty. I like it. I love it. What do you guys think? This one's cute. I like this one a lot. It's also just super soft. Cutting the bangs took me a while and I just, like I said, I have all of them with bangs. So this is gonna be maybe a long video, or at least a long video for me to film and edit because I have a lot of hair cutting to do and these scissors suck. Okay, now we have an orange one. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Okay, this one is really, oh, okay. This one's really orange and I'm living. And I know I'm not combing the wigs right, but I don't care. I'm telling you, I'm gonna lose my mind because I feel hair touching me everywhere and I'm panicking. Okay, this one is shedding like crazy. The gray one did not shed like that. I don't think orange is my color. I was excited about this one because orange is like, I don't know, orange is like one of my favorite colors. But let me cut the bangs a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so I cut them a bit, but I still am not convinced that orange is my color. I don't think I like this one. I mean, it's a very pretty wig. It does shed a lot more than the gray one though, even though I think they're the same brand. I'm not sure. Sorry, I have a mess everywhere. Y'all let me know in the comments. Do you like the orange? Looks too clowny to me. Ooh, this is the green one. Always wanted to dye my hair green, especially after I saw Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia. His green hair is okay. I think I like this one. It has like it has some volume to it. Let me just fix the bangs. Okay, what do we think? I don't know. Deku looks cute, but I just look, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it though. So far the gray one's the only one I really like. But I do like this green one more than the orange one. Black. Oh, okay. Yeah. How am I supposed to get this out? Okay, I think I'm gonna like this one. Oh, why are all the bangs so freaking long? Okay, I'm gonna have to cut the bangs on this too. Hold up. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this one. I think that the bangs just go too far back, and it just makes my, I feel like it makes my forehead appear very large. Maybe I just need to cut it better, the bangs, but I'm not sure. I'm definitely gonna have to get better scissors because mine suck, and these bangs are really thick because, like I said, the bangs start from so far back. So I feel like I need better scissors. Yeah, it's like too, I don't know. I don't like it. Ooh, maybe I can try that like super short bang thing. You know what I'm talking about? No? Should I not do that? I feel like that might look cute. Because yeah, the bangs go all the way like to here. So it might be cute to have it just a little bit shorter. Yeah, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to need better scissors. I always feel so sexy whenever I take this off. Meet me on a small pond. I feel like these bright wigs were a mistake. I'm kind of obsessed with this one. Hear me out. Like, I know it looks really bright blue with like the lights and stuff, but in person it actually, like, it's bright blue, but it's not bright blue. I just don't understand why these bangs are always obscenely long. Ugh. I'm gonna have to cut these ones too. Okay, maybe I cut the bangs a little bit too short. I just love this color blue. I don't know if I like it on me though. How do you guys feel about this one? About the blue? Maybe I do like it. I don't know. Keep going back and forth. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. This one looks like it has like the bangs a little bit too far back, like the black one. Meet me at our small boat. I cannot see. Like, I understand leaving some length on them for different face shapes, but geez Louise. Maybe my face is just too small. Oh my gosh, I love this one. This one might be my favorite. First thing that comes to mind is, how do you say her name? Is Uraraka from My Hero Academia. Yeah, I think this one might be my favorite. I think this one's my favorite. It's really pretty. I feel really pretty. I think my problem is that I went too bright with the wigs, but I'm always so extra, so I wanted bright, but now I know. I do, I feel so cute. I like this brown. I like this brown a lot. All right, last one. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a gravity. That song stuck in my head now. Everybody's tough until she turns off all your gravity. Okay, I think I'm gonna like this one because even though it's pink, it's not like bright pink. My wig cap just came off. Okay. My eye. Oh my god. Oh, that hurt. Oh no. Ow. I can't even, it got me right in the fucking eye. My eye hurts so bad. Okay, I messed up right here. That's what I get though for trying to go so fast. But it looks cute. I love it. Okay, I think brown, pink, gray, green, blue, orange is the order I would rank these in. Like, I really like this pink one. I feel really cute. Let me know down below which ones you like. I'd really be curious to see what y'all think. And if you want to see me do some makeup looks with these wigs, please feel free to follow me on Instagram or on TikTok at Katie Pepitas. I'd love to see you all there. And yeah, this one brightens my mood. This one makes me happy. This one's cute. But yeah, that is all for this week's video. Love you all so much. And I will see you all next week. Bye.